Okay, we got another box today. Well, this was in a box and I took it out, but haven't opened this one yet. So let's see. Obviously, as you can tell by the side, new helmet. Yay. So let's see what's in here, because I've heard good reviews about these Scorpion helmets. Yeah, so little warnings. That's the packaging for it. And this came, like I said, packaged in another box with more packaging. We'll see, this is really nice. They give you a actual bag for the spare visor that they give. That's pretty nice, so don't get scratched up. And then the helmet itself. It's drawstring connected to the bag itself. Wow. Oh, here it is. I got the Covert FX in gray, because I like the gray color. It looks pretty snazzy. It's DOT certified, which I don't really give a shit about, because DOT in the States, it's easy to get past. But it is ECE certified, which is a lot better. I got stickers to take off. Yeah, look at this. They give you a booklet. You get an actual damn helmet comes with instructions. Great. Hey, that padding feels nice. And it's a D-ring lock on it. It looks pretty good. Pretty good so far. Okay, well, I'm here with both of my helmets now. A new one and the very old bug splattered one. Yes, hi Cleo. There's the cat. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Yeah. She approves of the Scorpion box very highly. I just thought I'd just take a look at some differences between these. Like, you can definitely tell size. Like, a little bit longer, it looks like. Well, she has to come check them out too. So I got here with both helmets, just taking a little bit of a look at them before I switch everything over. You can see the setup I had for the other GoPro to sit it pretty much right on my field of view. This one, that setup won't work too well because of indents here. Like, I could probably fit a mount like right there, but then it's covering the vent, and yeah, not really what I wanted to do. So I ended up getting a chin mount for it. Yeah, just little thing with the, you can go like right on there. Yeah, depending on where I want to put it. I'm not really sure. Yeah, not sure yet on that final placement. Okay, I think I've got everything on and set up how I want it. Had to do a little finagling with the inside, and you can't even see the inside. Had to do a little finagling with the routing of wires every which way under the padding to make it comfortable, but I think I've got it there so far. So now we just got to see how it sounds with the mic in the camera, or mic in the helmet. Helmet, mic, on the camera. Whatever, you get what I mean. We are out on the bike now to see how sound goes on this. Have the mic tucked in behind the cheek, kind of. So we'll see how it sounds. Not a bad day today, really. Come on. I'm just gonna head out this way so we can pick up a little bit of speed. And we'll see how the wind noise is. Kind of worried about where the mic is right now because it's right down by my jawline essentially, so it might be picking up exhaling from breathing. I don't know, hopefully not. I just don't want to sound like I'm, you know, huffing into the mic. So far to my ears at least, the helmet is a lot quieter than my last one. At least, you know, going this fast, I'm not hearing a bunch of wind noise. Or, I mean, obviously you hear wind noise, but it's not as loud as it used to be. And I'm pretty sure I have both vents open. I have the front vent open, at least, I know that for sure. Top one, I'm not really sure which side is open, which side is closed. So we'll see how this sounds, I guess. Ambient noise versus when I'm talking. Let's talk a little bit about the helmet too. So far, it's seems like it's pretty good. One of the things I don't quite like about it is there doesn't seem to be an indent in the visor opening. Like I can't like lift it up a bit and have it like click into place and stay there to just have a crack of air come in. It seems like it's, you know, fully open or fully closed. It's the only two indents they put in the ratchet system. But that's probably the biggest gripe I have about it right now. Like, it's fairly comfortable. I need to break in the pads. They're, you know, pushing my cheeks in fucking pretty hard. So I need to break those in a bit. Or maybe look into getting slimmer pads. Maybe get like the 3X size pads. I think those would be a little slimmer. Because it's the same helmet shell between the, I think XL, double XL that I have and triple XL all have the same shell. I could be wrong, don't quote me. But I think if I can get pads for the bigger size, it'll be a little slimmer. I think that's how it would work. I don't know, I have to look into it. Other than that, I think I hope the camera view is okay. It is a bit farther left than it used to be, because it used to be I had a like dead center of my face was where the camera was, or at least the lens of the camera was. So it used to be just a little bit offset, so it would have a center view. But now I couldn't quite do that with this one, so it's more camera is center of my face, so the lens is just a little farther left. I don't know. I'm gonna go down this way for a little bit. I don't actually ever think I've been down this road. There's a lot of loose gravel on it though. Yeah, that's awesome. Oh, so this is a dead end. Okay, I guess I'm turning around. I don't know if this will go out anywhere, or this is a dead end too. I've never been back here. God, mowing his dirt more than the grass. Yeah, it's weird. Like if I just pop the visor up just a little bit, and it kind of sits up, but it'll move back and forth like full close and then kind of up high, but it's like higher than I would want it to be for where it sits. And all right, this is totally a dead end. All right. That doesn't go out anywhere either. Okay, I guess we're going back this way. But yeah, it sits a little higher, so I can clearly see. Ow! I just got smacked in the face by a bug. Well, in the visor. But I can clearly see the bottom of the visor, and it's a fairly like noticeable difference on this helmet because it's a little distorted, and they have like a lip on it, which looks good from the outside, but when you're in it, it's like, I don't know, it's just noticeable. It's not like a clean edge, so it's, you know, I can tell it's there, and that is annoying. But it does seem to sit up a little. I don't know, I guess I can get used to that. It sits up okay. It's not flopping around. Well, here's more of that loose gravel. I don't know what the sound is like with this popped up like this, because it's kind of windy, and I feel it coming in pretty good. Gotta drop that down a bit. It's windy out here. It's really nice though. It's, you know, mid 80s right now. Whew, feeling good. Tell you what though, these front vents, I can definitely tell the front vents on this helmet is working. Like, I feel that airflow coming through. It's coming in pretty good. So I don't really know where I'm going. I'm almost home on lunch break right now, so I should probably get back going home because I gotta go back to work. High school. Woo. And a little farther high. You know, for a country road, this fucking road is busy. Yes, this is what busy looks like in southern Idaho. At least for 93, like, there's not normally this many people driving along it. Or at least that I have seen. I could be completely wrong, you've just never been here during rush hour. Hello. That was a nice old Mustang. Alrighty. Oh my god, I think the wind keeps battering me. It wouldn't be southern Idaho if it wasn't windy as shit. Just let me know how everything sounds. I mean, I'm sure I'll hear when I edit and all that, but if you have anybody with the Scorpion Covert FX helmet, if you putting a mic in it. Where are you putting it at?